for Tool Review of the Week. Sponsored by Electrician's Only Tool Review and Nipex Tradesman.
Alright, so this is one of my favorite tools out there that I just found out about. It's a battery powered inverter, and what's so nice about this thing is it has all the safety devices that you can see there, which I really like. So we can go and we can test out our lighting fixtures, we can plug them in and just make sure they're working good. This one I believe is an aftermarket product that actually works with DeWalt. So you'll have to kind of check it out. Last week I actually covered a true DeWalt or a true Milwaukee inverter that's actually from Milwaukee. That's the most popular one. But I wanted to kind of mix it up and cover DeWalt too. This is actually called a power station. It has all these different safety features that come into it. Temperature, overheating, all kinds of different stuff. So if you like exceed that 150 watts, then it's gonna have a shut down. You're not gonna have any kind of arc flashes with this thing. So it's a really safe way to kind of test your lighting. You could get it on there. We actually been testing our fixtures on the ground, making sure they work, making sure the dimming works, making sure the switch legs are correct, making sure everything's right. Then when you go hook it to like a higher voltage, you're ensuring that everything's going to work properly, kind of to align with James's 70E thing. So we're trying to make sure that everyone's working in an electrically safe work condition. And what I really like about this is you could get an illuminated plug, and then when you turn your light on, you see that illuminated plug come up, so you know that it's got 110 volt power going to it, and then you're not going to cause any kind of hazard to the electrical worker while you're going through and testing these lights. And then also other stuff where you could power up your laptop, charge your phone, power all kinds of stuff up, and keep up to date with the High Voltage Live podcast. And so that is my